Hello, dear friends. Patrick here for Vortex Rising. In this episode, we're going to be talking about process number one, the Rampage of Appreciation. It's the first process that they list in the 22 processes, and this process is meant to support you when you are already in that range of feeling good. When to use this process, you want to use this process if you want to parlay a good mood into an even better one. Maybe you want to enhance your relationship with someone or something. Maybe you want to deliberately maintain your current good feeling set point. Maybe you want to deliberately focus upon something that is beneficial to your set point. When you're driving, walking, or standing in line and you want to do something that is creatively productive, this can really help you fill up that time. You know, when you are in your own thoughts and or the words of someone you're with start off in a potentially negative direction, something that you can already feel may lead to some conflict, and you want to control the direction of the subject matter, this process will help you with that as well. Or maybe when you are aware that you're experiencing negative emotion and you feel that you may be slipping into the lower borders of the emotional vibration scale, this process can help you solve that also. So, the process number one, Rampage of Appreciation. So you may be wondering the current emotional set point range for this Rampage of Appreciation. This process works when you are floating in between the emotional set point range of joy, knowledge, empowerment, freedom, love, appreciation. That's number one, the highest rung. And number five, optimism. If you're not sure what emotional set point you are in, then look over this image here. I'm going to put a link in the description where you can also find that online, and you can see to help discern and figure out for yourself where you are and if this process will help you get you to where you want to go. This Rampage of Appreciation game, it should be really seen as a game. It can be played anywhere and at any time because it's a game that is played easily by simply directing pleasant thoughts in your mind. You don't need any tools or any other people to play with you this game. This is all within yourself. If you were to write your thoughts on paper, it would even enhance the process and make it stronger, but this is not even necessary for the process to work. So how does it work? It works by, for example, you begin by looking around your immediate environment and you may gently notice something that pleases you, right? And so you hold your attention to that thought and that pleasing object, and you realize how much it pleases you and how beautiful and wonderful it is. And as you focus upon it longer, your positive feelings just begin to rise. Your feelings about it increase, and as you notice your improved feeling and be appreciative about it, of the way you feel, then once you are in that good feeling space, it's notably easier for you to find other things around you that brings about that pleasing sensation, a pleasing feeling within yourself. So you're walking down the street and you see a dog just there looking at you, and he's just wagging his tail, makes you smile. And as you're walking, you're enjoying that, and a breeze blows past your face, and you just feel joyful that you're alive and you appreciate nature as you walk. More of these things that you feel appreciative about, and that rampage of appreciation just bolsters you through and raises your spirits. And once you really get into that feeling space and allow those good things, these good feeling thoughts help you, the appreciation that you feel for many things, you'll start to feel appreciation for things that you might not even have felt appreciation for before you're playing this game. You might not have even noticed many of these things, but now that you're in that space of appreciation, you just may start to even appreciate the small things. So you make it your objective to choose objects of attention that easily evoke this appreciation. For this process, it's not one of finding something troubling and fixing it. No, this is a process of practicing the higher vibrations. It's about appreciating something that you already love, that you feel appreciative about. The longer you focus upon things that feel good to you, the easier it is for you to maintain those vibrational frequencies and find other good feeling thoughts. And that's how the law of attraction works, right? What is like onto itself is drawn. The more you maintain these good feeling frequencies, the more law of attraction will deliver you other thoughts, experiences, people, and things that match your practiced vibration. And since it is your primary intention as you move through your day to find things to appreciate, you're practicing a vibration of less resistance, and you're making your connection to your own source energy stronger. And because the vibration of appreciation is the most powerful connection between the physical you and the non-physical you, this process will also put you in a position to receive even clearer guidance from your inner being. And the more you practice the appreciation, this feeling of less resistance you will have in your vibrational frequencies. And the less resistance you have, the better your life will be. Also, by practicing this rampage of appreciation, you will become accustomed to the feeling of higher vibrations. Once you already recognize that feeling of appreciation, you love life. Life is going to show you more things about it to love. And once you recognize that feeling and you become conscious of it, it becomes easier to recognize when you're not feeling that and put yourself back on the track of alignment to feel it again. So if your vibration is in a close enough proximity to these higher vibrations when you begin the game and you find yourself easily and quickly soaring into better feeling places, then do continue the rampage of appreciation for as long as you take the time and as long as it feels good. If you attempt this game and you do not feel good, if you do not feel momentum picking up as you focus upon one happy thought after the other, then that means this process is not the process for you at this moment. You may want to choose a process with a lower number that will help you raise your vibration from where you currently are to where this process, the rampage of appreciation, may serve you. But if it's not feeling good at the moment when you try it, then you may be forcing it, and that's not something that this works well with, and it would be suggested for you to try something else. It's pretty simple, really, to just recognize what is there to feel appreciative about. It's like you can just take a few minutes a day, just put yourself in that space of appreciation, and once you feel it, you're gonna want to be in that space more and more. So for example, you're like walking around, you're like, this is a very nice building. It's nice that people keep it clean. I like how friendly the people around are. I appreciate that mother's interacting with her child. Well, that's a nice looking jacket, and the day is going really well. All these things, they just start to stack upon each other, and you find nice things about everything. Things like this, things that can really raise your spirits. And once you start to do that, these appreciative feelings that you feel will help you get from your current state to a better feeling space. And that's what you need to be able to bring the things that you desire. All you need to do to get from where you are to where you want to go is to match that vibration of whatever you're asking. And the best way to match those higher vibrations is through the vehicle of appreciation and gratitude. So this rampage of appreciation is there to help you find things to be appreciative about, learn how to use that to your advantage, and help you create the life that you want to live, your dream life. It's there waiting for you. It's ready. It's ready for you to bring it in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out the other processes there. If this doesn't serve you, one of those other ones definitely will. That's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. For more in-depth look into these processes and more, please do check out the Ask and It Is Given book by Esther and Jerry Hicks. We'll put links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video as well. Just hope to see you guys in the next videos. Take care. Till next time. For Vortex Rising, this is Patrick, signing out.